Welcome to the OneDesk Project Management Demo. OneDesk offers 3 different products: Help Desk, Project Management, and Work Management. Today we'll focus on the Project Management product, showing how OneDesk helps your team stay organized, collaborate seamlessly, and get work done on time. With OneDesk, you can centralize all your work in a single platform, from individual tasks to large projects, so everyone knows what to do, when, and how it contributes to your team's goals. The platform is available both in the cloud and on-premise, so it's flexible for your business needs. Let's get an overview of the OneDesk app. This is where your team manages tasks and projects every day. Here's a quick overview of the interface and navigation. At the top, you'll find the main toolbar, where you can add new tasks, projects, or users, access bulk actions and imports, use global search to quickly find anything in your account, access helpful guides and resources in the Get Started menu, manage your OneDesk products or add additional products, access your profile menu, including quick links to your work and settings. On the left, you'll see the Apps sidebar. Apps determine what you see and manage in your workspace. For example, the dashboard gives an overview of all your work, while the Tasks app lets you view and manage tasks in detail. Let's take a look at creating projects. Projects let you group related tasks together, manage milestones, and track overall progress. To create a new project, go to the Add button and select Project. You can easily kick off new projects by building a new one from templates. Creating from templates lets you copy over details, tasks, and assignments to easily create new similar projects. For now, let's create a project from scratch. Enter project details such as the name and description, and add relevant teammates as members. After a new empty project is created, fill it with tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of your projects. Add all the details needed to complete the task. Add an assignee. Prioritize the task and add it to your project. Next, let's head to the Projects app. In the Projects app, you can see all your projects, organize your projects into portfolios, and monitor the status and progress. To see details of a specific project, just click to open from the grid. Here, you can further monitor and define project timelines and details, including any links or attachments. Send messages to teammates about the project. Assign teams to specific projects. Monitor the planned hours, tracked hours, and project activity. Let's take a closer look at the Tasks app. This is the main place where you can plan work and track progress in detail. Click a task to open it from the grid. Here you can set planned due dates, update priorities, add details, or attach files. Communicate with your team using real-time messaging. You can tag teammates using @mentions, or link other items using the hash symbol. Start a timer while working, or manually log time via timesheets. Timesheets can help track productivity, measure workload, or even bill clients with the financials product. Add notes to timesheets and track the current status of the task as you work. OneDesk's automations can also customize your workflow or cut back on manual work. For example, assign tasks to the right users, send messages, apply tags, and update statuses. The Tasks app helps teams stay organized, collaborate effectively, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. You can view tasks as lists, Kanban boards, calendar, workload, or Gantt charts, so you can work in the way that suits you best. From the Gantt, you can plan tasks and create dependencies. In the Kanban view, you can see the status of each task and update statuses interactively. You can create and save filtered or grouped views for overdue tasks, your assigned tasks, tasks in progress, and much more. Each view is fully customizable, allowing every agent or manager to see what matters most to them. Next, let's look at some of the other key applications in OneDesk. The Messenger app is the central place for all conversations. You can see any task or project linked to a conversation and navigate directly to its details. The Analytics app gives you insights into team performance and project outcomes. View charts and graphs to view key performance indicators, as well as identify trends and potential bottlenecks. Generate custom reports on your tasks, timesheets, and project. You can send reports via email on a scheduled basis to automatically keep your team or managers informed. Analytics ensures you have a clear, data-driven view of your work, helping you plan and make better decisions. OneDesk's administration area gives you complete control over how your project management operates. Here, you can configure your company preferences, such as working hours, language, and theme colors. You can also customize your entire project management workflow. Create multiple tasks or project types with unique statuses and workflows. Create custom fields to capture details specific to your company or projects. Set up automations to automatically assign tasks based on project or priority, or send reminders to keep deadlines on track. Integrate with existing tools using built-in integrations, Zapier, or the OneDesk API. Plan work visually using Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and lists. Track progress and manage workloads efficiently. Collaborate and communicate in real time. Make data-driven decisions using analytics. Keep everything centralized and organized for maximum productivity. Thanks for watching this OneDesk project management demo. To learn more or start your free trial, visit onedesk.com.